So this is bonus. To make sure the fallable object is spawned back, if you just step on it, and then if you just die, so you can set you can make a variable here, start x, and then start y, so it will count on the. We want it to remember its start position. So here, add even. So here, on start game, we want the fallable tile to set its variable into its position, into its start position. So fallable tile dot start x equal to self dot x, and then the start y equal to start self dot y. So here it will be safe, and then just a blank here, and then if the player is respawned, so we want to, you can set here. So basically, if the tile is full, we don't want to delete this, and we want to make it keep static here. So is full, and then if the fallable tile is the y value, and then if the fallable tile is y value equal to is more than about 1000, I don't know, is less than 1000, so it is on the screen and fall on the screen, and then about here 1000 y. So we want it to be static here, so we don't want to delete this time because it has start x and start y. And then if the player is respawned, we want to set the fallable object position, set its position into self.x, self.startx, and self.starty. So basically, we don't want to restart our layout, and then we just want to respawn the player, and then make the player can jump into the object again. So lastly, we want to set the fallable tile.boolean fall into false. So it will not fall. So it will not fall if there's no collision with player. For this, we just want to set the value to 2, so the player cannot make it false, as the player is jump into it twice. So thank you for watching.